Don't get me wrong, ne? Don't get me wrong, ne? It's your boy Katlego Sparkles, aka I Thought I Told You, aka Umtanaga Koko. Today's episode, guys. I don't wanna lie. I would nyayithanda lento eyenzakalayo. Uyasingijabulile yabo machi. Ngithanda abantu obashawa. But I don't want to lie, guys. What I want us to talk about is that I've been seeing a lot of videos, but I go back to hey, Magahambe in coach. I don't want to lie. Orlando Pirates has one of the best coaches, bro. I know Coach like Coach I'm good by the team, but what I wanted us to talk about video and like is I don't know. Maybe I'm seeing this from a Kaizer Chiefs view. I'm not seeing maybe what he's cooking or what he's trying to do. First thing first, can you guys talk about the reason you guys sold Munyane, bro? Because you guys have this boy, number 2. I'm not remembering even his name, boy. Like, for all those players that you have, compared to Munyane, like, I make that makes sense. Like, okay, I understand the point, Marco, because I've realized one thing now. Ipagania mele, Lizame, good backline. Because if you want to realize, if Mbogas is no taste, but I'm not. I don't wanna lie. Like the protect the school and if you could see the way they lost. Because if you could realize the mistake they made in faith, Mbogazi was probably pushing or Mbogazi Kavile, then no one could cover again for them. And okay, Marco makes sense because Marco wanted a better contract and stuff when they couldn't help. But Munyane, I don't wanna lie, I still don't understand why did you guys let that boy go. Look at what he did. I know it's first game, but you could see Munyane even on preseason. Why did they let you go, young son? He's a baller, smile. You keep players like that, and he's still young, young son. But in terms of the main thing for the school, bro. Pirates has one of the most dangerous midfield players. You know, you have your Mofuke, you have your. Is this Angel? Lento Yarambule. No service. Iya man. No Tito. Umbule no Tito, like as Kulmentin is, I know, okay, yeah, cats, Mbule can stay, Tito Angatekanyana, you know, but Tito is smart also to that point to Tito when it comes to defense wise, I'm not a team. But Tito slim, where's the plan is while just like who? Just like Mbule. And Mbulu landing on your corner, and your corner, I feel like I can also the coach period and football and the confidence because if you could realize previous games, last season actually, Pirates bedlalela phezu kwaTitos ba. Like you could see the coach loya bekadlala phezu kwaTuto. But manje mfethu angifuna ukutshela masibali. Mekubeke one ebenchini. I don't wanna lie. If this guy wants to literally master this, mele beke one ebenchini, my one akathala mkhiphe afake omunye. I know it's going to take like from the confidence kaTito or from the confidence kaMbulu. Both these players are used to Guti. First lineup, I'm on the first lineup. I'm always on the first lineup, but I don't wanna lie. For this to work for them, maybe one at a time, bro. Because I'm fully chill mom. There are 2 players that play the very same football. I'm fully cool mom. And I'm forgetting guys, bro. Like I don't know, and I feel like I hope it's not like that, and I wouldn't blame him if you feel like but I don't think he feels like that, but Noma Mufukeng is still young, bro. Noma is still overthinking stuff. He still could literally pull up. Mufukeng is Mufukeng. But for the style of play, the body language, I feel like he's no longer here, bro. But that's a story of another day. How do you guys feel Mufukeng? Is he still here? Is he still not there? He performed a weekend. He didn't disappoint. He was one of the best players I could see from that game on the Pirates side. He performed. No Mbogazi. But I feel like mentally he just wants to leave. But if it's not like that, you know, maybe, but we are just overthinking it. But I would really like to see a really overseas or in a different, getting better challenges, you know. But anyway, calling Jerry on my comment section from me, Katlego Sparkles, aka Don't Get Me Wrong, ne? I'll see you on the next one. I'm out. Peace.